Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Says Let's Cook. So today we are going to make a delicious palak dish, Palak Paneer. This is a very tasty dish which you can make, which can be served with paratha, fulka, naan of your choice. And what do we need? We need 2 bunch of palak, which is approximately 300 to 400 grams. I have 200 grams of cottage cheese or paneer, 2 small onions chopped, 2 small tomatoes chopped, a tablespoon of ginger and garlic, and some green chillies. And we have some salt, jeera, turmeric, garam masala powder and Kashmiri chilli powder. So let's begin. So let's heat some water, add some salt. We need to blanch the palak, maybe cook it for a minute. So once the water boils, we'll add the spinach leaves. So I've added the palak. Now it's getting cooked. Just let it cook for a minute and then we can take it out of the water. So now let's take it out of the water. I've cooked it for a minute or two and we are going to put it into a bowl of cold water. So I have some ice in this, just so that this helps in retaining the color of the dish. So let's grind this to a fine paste. So now keep the pan, add a little bit of oil. We just need to fry the paneer for a couple of minutes. So add the paneer. Now let's take it out. In the same pan, add a little more oil and just put some jeera to roast. Please add the ginger, garlic and the green chilies, chopped green chilies, and let it fry for a couple of minutes. So the ginger and garlic are getting fried and it smells so good here. Add the onions and fry it. Then we can add tomatoes also once the onions are done and fry that too. So the tomatoes are well done, so is the onion, and the oil has started to separate. Let's add very little of turmeric and a little bit of chili powder because I have already added 2 chilies, so it should be spicy enough. But those who would like it a little more spicy can add more chili powder. Give it a good mix and let's add the ground spinach that we had done in the beginning. So I cooked the palak for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add the paneer that we had fried in the beginning and mix it and keep the lid closed and let us cook it for another 2 minutes. And it is good to go. So this is done. I have cooked it for another 2 minutes. Let's add some lime juice. This is optional. I like some lime juice in it. And you can add some garam masala, half teaspoon of garam masala. And we can switch off the gas. Palak paneer is ready to be served. You can serve it with some grated paneer on top or with fresh cream. I have put some fresh cream here, and or with ghee, white butter. This can be served with paratha, fulka. Please do try it at home and let me know how it was. Thank you for watching this video, and please like, share, subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Thank you.